Hey everyone, we're driving out of the forest with trees surrounding us and some old garages here and there. Oh, look what I found! What's this doing here? Let's put on the gloves. First one, then the second. Okay, let's see. Is that what I think it is? A G-Wagon, guys? It's super old, abandoned. What's it even doing here? Let's get closer and check it out. There's a flashlight lying around. From the side, it looks amazing, right? I wonder how long it's been here. It looks like something from the early 2000s. The wheels are completely dead, all flat. Oh well. Let's take a look inside. The door's not opening. What's the deal here? Oh, you have to press the lock to open it. Wow, it's full of dust inside. Looks like it's been here for decades. The Mercedes badge is pretty cool though. Look, there are even keys inside. They look kind of strange, like they might be for a garage. I'm not sitting on all this dust. Let's clean off the seat first, then sit down. There's so much of it, it's like a dust cloud. Alright, let's sit down. It's actually pretty comfortable. The steering wheel feels nice, but the dashboard? It's ancient. Haven't seen one like this in ages. Let me clean up the dust here a bit. By the way, check this out. It's an automatic gearbox. The handbrake works. Let's put the key in. Oops, not that one. Alright, let's try the right one. But nothing's changing. Maybe I need to turn it? Nope, still nothing. I don't know, it's not working. Oh well. What else do we have here? Some pants? Who were they made for? Looks like a wild boar might have worn them. Let's leave them there. Whoa, check this out. Let's go look from the other side. Why won't the door open? Is it stuck? Oh, there it goes. Let's see what's inside. Look, it's a real gun. Crazy. Hope no one got hurt with this. And wait, there's not just one gun. There's a real shotgun too. It's heavy and pretty cool. What else do we have here? Some clothes? Maybe some branded stuff? Nope, doesn't look like it. Probably just something criminals wore. Haha. Alright, that's enough of this. Let's move on and see what else we find. This side looks fine. What's the other side like? Wait a minute, is that a fuel filler neck instead of a rear light? Well, given its condition, I can understand why they did that. Look at that hole! Wonder what's in the trunk. Let's quietly open it. Guys, look! Bags with cash, dollars printed on them. Let's check them out and open a couple of bags. No joke, dollars, stacks of them. There's a whole bag of cash. Well, looks like I don't need to work anymore. Let's take the G-Wagon and the cash, and that's it. But wait, there's not just dollars, there's euros too. Maybe some other currencies as well. Alright, let's leave it for now. We'll figure out how to move this later. Let's see what's here. Yeah, everything's broken, nothing works. So the question is, how are we gonna open this? Come on, open up! How do we open the hood without a latch? There's a hole here. Maybe we can try opening it with some force? Yes, it worked. Turns out I needed to think less and just apply more force. Let's open it up. Alright, let's put the foot down first. No way. This is a JZ engine, a really good one. A G-Wagon with a swap? I can't believe it. Look at this, it's fire. The only downside is there's no battery here, but we'll figure it out. For now, let's take off the hood completely. Lean it on the windshield so it's easier to work. Good thing I brought a spare battery and some other tools. Let's grab this heavy battery. Man, this thing's heavy. Now I've got to figure out how to put it in here. The terminals are totally wrecked, but we'll make it work. Let's slap this beast in and connect the cables. Alright, let's go check if this abandoned G-Wagon will start or not. I'm in the cabin. It's so exciting to start this thing. Ah! Look, power's on, everything's easy. Let me press the button, it should start. It started, but wait, it shut off immediately. Let's try again. Okay, looks like it won't start. Let's go figure out what the problem is. Let's grab the keys and head out for some gas. We open the cap, still in shock, and now we're building a little rig to siphon the gas. Not that hard, but super effective. If you've never used it, give it a try. Gas is pouring in, everything's good. I love this process, just adjusting the hose a little. Alright, all set with the gas. Now let's try starting her up again. Let's put the keys in, press the button, and try to start it. Seems simple enough. I don't know, still won't start. Maybe that's why it was abandoned here in the first place. Alright, I've tried everything I can think of. Let's give it one more shot. Press the button. It's starting. Wait, no, it died. What the hell? Let's try again. Come on, don't let me down. Start, please. Yes, it started and it's not stalling. Hooray! We did it, guys. Hit that like button. Let's go listen to that beautiful Jay-Z engine sound. Are you ready, kids? I can't hear you! Ah, screw it, let's hit the gas. This is just incredible. I'm in shock. Hope you're loving it too. Let's close the hood. There we go. Now let's clean the windshield a bit. Oh, the wheels! Forgot about those. Can't get far on flat tires. Let's pop the hood and start pumping some air into them. Grabbing my favorite compressor, it saved me countless times in tight spots. Let's head to the car, unpack, and hook it up. Let's hook up the hose, connect it to the wheel, and fire up the compressor. While pumping, check this out. It's not even secured. Is it safe to drive like this? Let me know in the comments, but I'm going for it anyway. Hey, let's pack up, guys. We've been here too long, rolling up the wires, compressors, and throwing them in the bag. We need to move the car a bit further. Okay, door open, getting in. Wait, something's attached to my leg. Is that wire? starting up the baby, not without some trouble. Let's move it and head back to the G-Wagon. This time, we're definitely closing the hood. Let's get in and start moving. Wow, I'm nervous. First time driving this abandoned G-Wagon, putting it in drive and moving forward. It's shaking a bit, but that's just from age. And we're out! The feeling is fire, just listen to that. Yeah, every dog in the neighborhood is losing it over that sound, and I just hope I don't get eaten. The G-Wagon is a beast, clearly. The light's nearly falling off from age, or maybe bullets, not sure. But who cares? Look at this G-Wagon. So glad we found and started it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave your thoughts about this G-Wagon in the comments, and stay tuned for new episodes every week.